In integration management knowledge during closing phase, there are only one process. Close project or phase is the process of finalizing all activities for the project, phase, or contract. The key benefits of this process are the project or phase information is archived, the planned work is completed, and organizational team resources are released to pursue new endeavors. This process is performed once or at predefined points in the project. The desired outcome or output of this process are: project documents updates, lessons learned register, final product, service, or result transition, final report, organizational process assets updates. But how will we do it? Firstly, we need some inputs of the following: project charter, project management plan of all components, project documents like assumption log, basis of estimates, change log, issue log, lessons learned register, milestone list, project communications, quality control, measurements, quality reports, requirements, documentation, risk register, risk report, accepted deliverables, business documents, both business case and benefits management plan, agreements, procurement documentation, organizational process assets. Able to process all these inputs to gain the desired outcome, we need the following tools and techniques: expert judgment, data analysis like document analysis, regression analysis, trend analysis, variance analysis, meetings. By these combinations, we will be able to close a project or phase. This is the only process in closing group process. Therefore, it is safe to say that this is the last process of any projects. Integration management has the very start of process with developing project charter and the very last of process with closing project or phase. In our next lecture, we will tackle about scope management knowledge area. Great job! Keep moving forward. See you in next videos.